In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Xero. Whether you're onboarding a new team member or sharing your Xero account with a collaborator, it's essential to know how to do this efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, begin by logging into your Xero account. Make sure you enter the correct credentials to gain access to your organization's dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you will see the name of your organization. Click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. The Settings menu contains all the essential configurations you might need to customize your Xero experience. So, it's always a good place to remember when you're looking to make significant changes or updates, including user management. Once you're in the Settings area, look under General Settings and find the Users option. Click on Users. This will take you to the section where you can view all the current users of your Xero account. It's also where you'll invite new users to join. At the top right corner of the Users page, there is a button labeled Invite a User. Clicking this button will initiate the process of adding a new user to your Xero account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the new user's name and their email address. Be sure to double check this information for accuracy. You wouldn't want to send an invite to the wrong email address. After providing the basic details, you get to decide what level of access this new user should have. Xero allows you several access levels depending on the role the person will play. Options might include business and accounting, payroll, or even advisor access. It's crucial to pick the correct permissions based on the responsibilities of this new user. Beyond general access, you can further refine permissions. Customize these based on how much control or access you want to grant. For instance, can they view reports, manage bank accounts, or create invoices? Tailor these options to fit the specific role the user will fulfill in your organization. Finally, with all settings adjusted to your preference, click on Send Invite. This action will send an email invitation to the person you're adding, allowing them to accept and join your Xero account with the permissions you specified. And there you have it. A user has been successfully added to your Xero account. It's a straightforward process, but each step is crucial to ensure that the right person receives the correct access privileges. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Xero tips and tricks.